Good morning, friends. I, Professor Vayu Hardev, presently working in MEP Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we have seen the topic production drawing, and in that we studied the welding symbol. So let's start. So, what is a welding? Welding is a fabrication of sculpture process that join the material, usually metal or thermoplastic, by using heat. So, allowing them to cool and causing the fusion. So, welding the presently welding symbol types elementary, supplementary, and supplementary. So, elementary welding symbol butt weld, fillet weld, spot weld, plug weld, edge weld. Okay. So, butt weld. What do you mean butt weld? It is used to attach two pieces of metal, such a pipe framework in factories and flange. So, this is the example. This is one piece, this is second piece, and join with the help of butt welding. So, with the help of two plates, join with the butt weld. So, butt weld types are having symbols and their types. Butt weld with square butt weld, single V butt weld, bevel B butt weld, V butt weld with broad root face, single bevel butt weld with broad root space, single U butt weld with parallel, next single J butt weld. So these are the butt weld types. So backing weld. So what do you mean backing? Backing is when you use the material or ceramic plate back up on usually bevel joints backside welded to so absorb some heat and avoid to much high melt strength. This is symbol of backing weld. This is a welding and this is a backing weld. Fillet weld. So fillet weld refer process of joining two piece metal together when they are perpendicular at an angle. These welds are commonly referred to T joint. So this is a fillet weld. This is symbol of fillet weld. Plug weld. Plug weld are the weld that it is made inside of an existing hole, commonly on in one piece. So welding that piece another member. So this is symbol. So very simple. This is a joint. Spot welding. So next type is spot welding. Spot welding is resistance welding process, which is primarily for welding of two or more sheets, applying pressure heat to weld area. The two sheets are welding with the help of spot weld. Seam weld. Seam weld is the process joining of similar or dissimilar material at seam by use of electric current and pressure. This is a seam weld. Seam weld. These are elementary welding symbol. It covers every types of welding. Butt weld. So backing weld, fillet weld, plug weld, spot weld, seam weld. All the supplementary welding symbol I have flat, three types: flat, convex, and concave. So in this way we can study the type of welding symbol with their symbols.